10 different ways to separate an egg. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, Corporate Chef of BC Egg. Today I'm gonna show you 10 different ways how to separate an egg, and we want you to watch all 10 and let us know what's your favorite way to separate an egg. Number 1, an egg separator gadget. You can pick these up at kitchen stores, online, wherever. Number 2, use 2 forks. Just gently coddle the yolk with the 2 forks and let the white drain through. Number 3, with a spatula. Crack the egg on a plate and just gently push the yolk with the spatula off the plate. Number 4, a slotted spoon. Crack the egg in a slotted spoon and just shake and rotate until the egg white separates. Number 5, a measuring spoon. Take a measuring spoon that's just as big as the yolk and use that to separate the yolk from the white. Number 6, a shot glass. The same kind of idea as the previous ones, but with a shot glass. Number 7, a plastic bottle. Take an empty plastic bottle and use that to suck up the yolk. Number 8, use the shells. After cracking the egg, just pass the yolk back and forth with the shells until the white separates. Number 9, use your fingers. You'll always have your fingers with you and the whites just drain through. Number 10, use a funnel. Crack the egg in a funnel over a glass and keep shaking it, rotating it until the whites fall through. There you have it. Let us know what your favorite way is to separate an egg. And don't forget to check out the website at bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great egg tips, tricks, and recipes. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?